Lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create our database link in Oracle. So this is here Oracle SQL Developer. So first I'm going to connect with the Escort. So it's connected with the Escort schema. After that, this place. So let's see all database link. So writing here dblink. Now let's run this. Now you can see here this is the database link and this here user. After doing this here, I'm going to create the new database link. So writing here create, then writing this place public or database link, and or database link this giving the name link 1. You can give any meaningful name. After that, let's connect here, connect to HR. So here you can see this is the HR. Okay, and here writing identified by HR. Then here using. So global DBA you should give overshare, or in your system X is there, you should give XC. So here I'm using Oracle 11c and global database now overshare. After that, let's close by semicolon. Now if I run this query, then I'm getting this message SQL administrator. This message is there. Let's write here SQL plus. SQL plus, that's open. After doing this one, logging with the system. So this is login with the systems. Now Escort user does not have this admin privilege. So for this one or this place, let's write here grant all privileges to Escort. Now press enter, grant certificate. So you should log in with the system, then you should use this query. Now after doing this one, we can create the database link. Execute. Now you can see database link that's created. After that, let's check that. So this here link 1, username HR, RCL 31. This is created. After that, I log in here with Escort schema, and now this Escort schema I'm going to use here. I'm going to display all the table's contents inside the HR. So this is your HR. So for this one, let's write here select a star from. Select a star from, and after that you can see this is Escort, but here I wanna since this here created database link with HR, so let's give here HR employees, and next is at the rate, and this place give here link 1. Link 1. Now let's execute that. Then you can see here I'm using Escort, but here I can access here with the help of database link. I can access employees table records. So this is the main benefit of this database link. If you create here on, then you can access other schema or tables displays. We can't use directly hr.employees if I use. Okay, since this here it's linked so that we can also access here hr.employees. hr.employees. Okay, so this is how we can write. If I write here employees without hr, now let's execute that. So this is displaying table or view does not exist, but when I use here @link 1, then displays, you can see the contents inside there. So employees does not exist, but with the help of database link 1, we can access other table records. So this is the benefit there. So this is how we can create database link in Oracle. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.